You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's that you got something real.
Hello guys, and Merry, I said Merry. Happy New Year's Eve. Do y'all see what y'all, I've been ripping and running all day. Like, literally left the house at 9 something this morning. It is, what time is it, Tia? My sister's at my house.
5:32.
It's 5:32. Tia, am I lying? Isn't this literally my first time back in the house? Like, I've literally been out all morning.
You were gone.
Yeah, my sister woke up and I was gone. I was not home. Hi guys. Happy New Year. We're gonna do a little New Year's get ready with me. I'm about to do a little bit of self-care before I even think about putting on a bad beat outfit and 3 full layers of makeup. I'm about to take me a bath. I'm going to do some skincare. I'm going to like really unwind. I think I'm going to put some nails on tonight. It's going to be such a good night. Like, it's going to be such a good night. I'm going to a little New Year's party, and I'm not going to be overdressed if I dress like a bad bee. Like, I called my friend who invited me to the party because it's a mutual friends party, and I'm like, I can overdress, right? And she's like, girl, yes, it is bad bitch attire. So I'm really excited, and I wanted to do a little get ready with me with you guys, a full get ready with me, because like I said, it's 5:30. Party won't even be starting till 8, so I'll probably get there like 9:30ish. Like, I have plenty of time. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I am out of the bath. I had the best bath ever. Let me show you guys this oil I've been using lately. It is from Victoria's Secret Pink. It's cannabis sativa seed oil. It's a calming body oil. The flavor / scent is cocoa chill. It literally smells like coconut. Like, it smells like coconut, and it's like so calming. It has like hemp, like cannabis in it. It's really doing the damn thing for me, honestly. I put this on with my lotion lately, and I always feel so, like, since I started using this, I feel so moisturized. I'm about to put in some hair oil. I'm putting a wig on, but I'm gonna put some hair oil on real quick. I have my little matching slippers with my robe. It's so cute. I have been so lazy about hair care lately. I've been so lazy about hair care lately. Sometimes I neglect it because I feel discouraged because my hair thins due to my autoimmune disease. And so I be feeling like, oh my God, there's no point. But no, there is a point. Like, I'm trying to get back into the swing of being consistent with my hair care. Alright, so let's do a little bit of skincare. I'm just going to run through my basic like cleansing, and I'm going to put on my hyaluronic acid so that my skin can just be taken care of under the mountain of makeup I'm about to put on it. I'm not 100% sold on what makeup I'm doing or what outfit I'm wearing tonight, but isn't that the fun of it? Like, trying to figure it out. My sister and I want to take Maddie and Cassie themed New Year pictures, and like caption them like stuff from Euphoria, because remember the first episode of season, was that 3 or 2? Whatever. The first episode of the last season of Euphoria, they were at a New Year's party. So I'm gonna go like Maddie themed, so I'm probably gonna be wearing something like sleek and black. She's gonna go more like Cassie themed. We're so lame. I'm so excited though. I went out last night. Just a cute little vibe. I went out last night, and it was so fun to like do a full beat, like a full like going out beat. And tonight, you know, I gotta double it. I'm so excited. I want you guys to comment down below how you feel about New Year's. Like, do you guys hate the whole like New Year, New Me thing? Like how everybody wants to go to the gym because it's New Year, or like, do you eat it up? I love it. I eat that up. Like, I love when people get into the gym on January 1st. I love when people are starting businesses, creating content creator accounts, starting their YouTube channels. Like, I'm all for it. I feel like Why are we not celebrating when people feel encouraged and people feel happy and excited to do things? Like, I love it. I hate a Debbie Downer who's like, it's not New Year, new me, and you're going to be done with your resolutions by March. Like, don't be that person. Let people have fun and celebrate and be ambitious. Like, collectively, we're moving into like a whole new cycle. Like, New Year really does bring new energy. Like, we're all collectively moving into a space where we're going around the sun together for like another time. Like, there is new energy attached to that. And don't be negative and don't be a Debbie Downer when people are excited and feeling refreshed and feeling renewed. Like, I hate that. Ew, little haters. Honestly, can I be real with you guys? I've been unfollowing people for stuff like that, and it's made my feed so much more positive. I don't care if we went to school together. I don't care if you're my favorite content creator. I don't care if you're my first cousin. If you post something negative, I'm just unfollowing you. Like, you guys should try it. It actually is so, like, I don't feel drained from social media anymore because I'm like, I need to rework my algorithms. Like, I went through and every time I saw something negative, draining, a topic I don't want to be seeing when I'm looking on the internet, I hit like not interested. I unfollowed those people. I told the app, like TikTok or Instagram or whatever, like I'm not interested in content like this. Now my social media, when you scroll, baby, I be feeling so good. I be feeling so good. This is your sign to unfollow the Shade Room, by the way. Go ahead and unfollow the Shade Room. Friends, it's makeup time. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna change real quick though, because like the robe is comfy, but I want something, I don't know, I be having sensory issues sometimes, y'all. I'm just gonna change into a t-shirt while I do my makeup.
To call you just so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I perform. And the back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes.
Okay, my makeup is done. I'm about to do my little sister's makeup, and I'm probably gonna do it really similar to mine. But I look so good. I haven't done eyeshadow in over 6 months. So like sitting down and like really doing my eyeshadow was bizarre. I think it's actually been more than 6 months. But yeah, my face is so beat. I even contoured my cheeks, which I have not done in forever because I'm naturally sculpted and gorgeous. Just kidding, half kidding. But yeah, I'm about to do my little sister's makeup and then I'm gonna get dressed and show you guys what I'm wearing. I have the cutest top. Thought I was gonna wear a dress, but I have the cutest little corset top that I've never worn except for Halloween. So yeah.
This way, going all these shows, I've on the road, on wide, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shaking straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too far, don't stand too close, you won't fuck around the ground. This way, going all these shows, I've on the road, on wide, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shaking straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
I put my wig on. I'll probably straighten it before we head out because right now it's just like whatever. My makeup's done. I did my little sister's makeup. She has to do her lash and her lips, and our makeup looks really like pretty similar. It's really adorable. Let me show you what I'm thinking for outfit. I have this cute ass corset and like these little like drawstring pants that are like super Maddie from Euphoria. Let me show you. Like black corset top and then like the bottoms like tie. Let me show. I'm gonna try it on. Let me give you a look. See. Okay, this is the look. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this little corset top with the twisty tie, pretty little thing pants. I'm actually obsessed. I'm feeling myself. I'm really feeling it. Boom. Here I am, fabulous. I was gonna wear a dress, but it's raining. Like, it's already cold, and then on top of that, it's raining, so, like, I'm not about to wear a dress. I feel adorable, though, guys. Like, I feel so cute. My booty looks so good. I'm obsessed. Probably gonna wear heels, so I'll still have my feet out, but, like, whatever. Yep. This is the look. Okay, I put some pressies on. I have to go because I have to pick up alcohol, so I really won't have time to straighten my hair. But I'm about to put some oil in it so it doesn't look like dull or dry. But yeah, I got some pressies on and I want to put on this like sparkly necklace too. The neck is a little bit too bare. I gotta put my rings back on. Like let's start accessorizing. My go-to extra hoops I feel like being extra, read all about it. My house, you guys, is a mess. My bathroom, a mess. My bedroom, my living room, a mess. Like, it definitely looks like people were getting ready in here. But I mean, fuck it. Fuck it. I am off to go buy alcohol and then hit the party. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for getting ready with me. Subscribe so you can see more videos like this in the new year and other kind of content. I make all kind of content, okay? I'm versatile, baby. I will see you guys over on Instagram. If I don't see you over on Instagram, I will see you in my next video, right? Yeah? Pinky promise? Bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Happy New Year. I wish you and your family and friends and loved ones and dogs and cats and hamsters a prosperous, beautiful, peaceful 2023. I hope you all get drunk and forget this awful effing year. Bye. The entire Get Ready With Me that you just watched is now irrelevant. This video is now an anti-drinking PSA because the fact that I'm not a drinker, like, I feel like I've said this on here before, I am notoriously not a drinker. I'm known in my friend groups and my family as not a drinker. Like, I don't drink a lot. I don't do shots at all. So why did I do 6 shots and had drinks in between? And I woke up at 5 in the morning with the worst hangover ever. I was legitimately hungover for 2 days. It is the 5th. And today is the first day that I feel mostly like a normal person. So, Happy New Year.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's that.